Welcome, beautiful people. I am Chev B. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you are subscribed down below. So for today's video, we're about to do some BOHO FAUX LOCS, and we'll be using these faux locks from Ywigs.com. Now, each of these faux lock bundles come with 24 pieces, and it is made with human curly hair. So if you love faux locks like myself, this will be quick and easy because practically everything is done for you. And also, you don't have to worry about the hair shedding or the pieces falling out because these curly pieces are secured. Like, I am loving the texture of the hair. I'm looking at each strand. I'm trying to see how curly the hair is. There's no shedding, and I am just in love. And also, we'll be using this spring twist hair that you can also get on the website, and we're going to use this to wrap at the base of our lock so that it looks effortless. Also, you're going to need a crochet hook that also comes in the package. So I did 54 parting spaces. There is 24 pieces in each bundle, so I used 2 bundles and a couple of pieces from a third bundle, and this is what the hair is looking like so far. So I'm about to show you guys how I install these pre-loop locks. So first I braid my hair down, and then once I get to the end I do a twist. So you don't have to braid all the way down, but you need to make sure that your hair has braids so that it is secured when we attach the faux lock. So I'm just widening the loop, and I'm making sure that my finger can go through the loop because you need that loop to be a little bit wider. So I put the crochet hook in my braid like a little bit, maybe 2 inches or an inch from the base of my hair. Then I'm going to attach the end of my hair onto the loop and pull that through. I'm going to do this a couple of times, and also you could repeat the process and slow down the video if you wish to. And this is what it is looking like once I have attached the faux lock. Now we're going to do this 2 inches from the base as opposed to the base because you don't want that bulky look. You want your lock to be movable. You want it to look natural. So I'm going to use a piece of stringy twist hair, or spring twist hair rather, and we're going to pull that through the base of our hair. Now you don't want this to be too thick because again, you don't want your roots to be bulky. You want that root to be flat. So then I'm just gonna start twisting, and twisting, if I'm saying this right, I think this is clockwise that I'm twisting, and I'm making sure that that is nice and snug. And then I'm gonna keep wrapping around, especially when you get to that part where the faux lock is on your hair. You want to make sure that that is nice and tucked so that it doesn't give a bulky look. Now you want to watch out for where your curly piece of hair begins so you don't accidentally wrap that into your lock, because I've done that a few times. I keep forgetting that there's a boohoo curly hair there, so you just want to remove that and then continue wrapping downwards. So I'm just going to do this a couple more times, and also I'm demonstrating how movable the hair is. And then we're going to repeat this process a couple more times. So we push that crochet hook through our braid and then pull our hair through it. So again, if you need to slow down this video, do that. And what I really love about these pre-looped BOHO FAUX locks is that this was done in just a couple of hours, minus the time it took me to braid my hair. It took about 4 hours for me to do this, and this was with me just taking my time, watching a show and just relaxing while I do it. It was pretty quick. If I was to do this whole thing myself by twisting or wrapping all the way down and adding the curly pieces, this would have taken all day to complete. But with it being pre-looped, already using human hair, curly hair and everything, 4 hours tops and you're good to go. It doesn't have to take a whole day to get your hair done. Now this is my hair once I have completed all my faux locks. Again, I did 54 parting spaces, and I also need recommendation for a good braiding gel because I don't know what it is with the magic fingers, but it's not doing like it used to. It's giving me a white finish in the front. And also, this was the only mousse that I had on hand. I wouldn't recommend this mousse because it's a little bit too sticky. You want those really thick foam mousse. And then I'm going to use some Carol's Daughter oil scalp, or scalp oil rather, and put that on my scalp, and it feels so nourishing. It makes my scalp feels hydrated. I put this on my scalp every day since we're in the faux lock. And then for my edges, I'm using the Ever Faithful Edge Booster. This is my favorite edge control ever. Like, the stay on this edge control is just everything without being greasy and runny. Love it. So this is our completed look. Matter of fact, this was 2 days after I initially did my hair, and look how good the curls are looking. Again, if you don't want the hair to stick together, don't use the mousse that I use because I don't like that mousse. And also, to keep your curls hydrated, you can use leave-in conditioner with some water. And look how bouncy the hair is. The hair wasn't heavy at all. I could lift it up, I could put it in a bun, half up, half down, straight after it's done. Because you know, a lot of times when you do hairstyles like this, the hair is not movable. But babes, look how movable our hair is. I'm not feeling any tension on my scalp because of how we install these locks, and they are just beautiful. They're flowing. And also, bonus, I didn't have to worry about my curly pieces falling out because, again, the curls were secured. No shedding at all. The hair was just absolutely giving. 10 out of 10. I'll leave all the details down below for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all social media platforms at Chev, and I'll see y'all beautiful people in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.